Welcome to this new video. Today I am going to tell you that how can we calculate cable size from given ampere rating. So for this calculation, basic formula, cable size is equal to 1.73 multiplied by current, then multiplied by length between 2 point, or you can say distance between 2 point, then multiply by power factor cos theta divided by voltage drop multiplied by specific conductivity of the conductor. Here I am going to use copper conductor, so conductivity of copper will be 5.80 multiplied by 10 raised to power 7. This is three-phase system, so in three-phase system voltage will be 415. I am taking length distance between 2 point is 190 meter. Voltage drop, remember one thing, for final distribution board, voltage drop should not be more than 2.60. It should be less than 2.6. Maximum value should be 2.6. 2.60 mean it will be 11.205. Cos theta power factor will be 0.8, and current you can take any value for which you are going to calculate the cable size. So after putting these all values into this formula, you can get cable size. For example, here I rewrite this formula again here, and after multiplying 1.73 with current, that is 40, then after length, then power factor, I get this value, and after that multiplying voltage drop with the specific conductivity of the conductor, I get this value. Then after dividing these, I get this value. So for example, if your ampere rating is 63 ampere, on 63 ampere calculation showing you need 25.5 mm square cable. So we don't have 25.5 mm square cable, that's why we will use 25 mm square cable 4 core. And if your ampere rating is, for example, it's 80 ampere, then here calculation showing cable size will be 32.42 mm square, but we don't have any cable of 32.4 mm square size, so we have 25 or 35, so definitely we will use 35 mm square cable for this ampere rating. And you know how you can calculate ampere rating from given power. If you are going to calculate the cable size, definitely your voltage is already defined, you have to measure the length, then you have to calculate the voltage drop, power factor is already defined, and you have to determine the power, kilowatt power, that what is the kilowatt power for which you are going to calculate cable size. So this is very simple. I think you can understand. If there is any confusion, you can ask comments below. I will try to answer your question. Thank you.